And another pa guys from Madam Dex. Of course, from Chanel. May pa-birthday greetings pa talaga siya guys. Happy birthday, Madam Dayan. And thank you pala, Madam Dex, sa tawag. And Madam Berna. Talagang kinantahan pa ako ni Madam Dex kanina, guys. Through cellphone. Kasi nga, duty siya. Actually, gusto ko sana siyang ngayon, i-lunch date. Kaso nga, work din siya. At masama din talagang pakiramdam ko. So, guys, pati yung greetings card is also from Chanel. O, diba? Look at this. Thank you ulit, Madam. No need to read this. What's this? Kasi, grabe, hindi ko masyadong mabasa at wala akong eyeglass. Guys, this is it. So, it's a waterproof stylo yak. I don't know how to pronounce this. It's like that. Actually, guys, nagamit ko na to kanina. Ay, kahapon pala, sorry. And of course, this is a nail polish. O, diba? Bongacious din ang nail polish ni Dayan Studio from Chanel. O, see? Mayroon din tong isa, guys. It's a color orange, I think. Yeah. Binigay niya sa akin last year, I think. Yeah. And this is it. What's this? Powder eyeshadow. O, diba? Ang ganda. It's a dark. Ganda siya, guys. Kulang na lang nito, Madam Dex, is a face powder from Chanel. Thank you, Madam Dex. I love you.